Hey guys, this is Rashonda Gray, your small business resource. I am going to talk about creating a Gmail address today. I know that's pretty foundational but some people may not know how to create a Gmail address. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to open my internet browser and I'm going to type in google.com, which I've already done here. So you go to your internet browser and you type in here google.com and it'll get you to the Google page, and that's where you need to be. And then you're gonna hit, for me it's telling me sign in, but you may have a sign up button. It's only saying sign in to me because I have already created a Google email address in the past. So let me just click sign in, and then you'll see here sign up. So find your sign up button and it'll get you to this page. And then I'm going to create a sample Google email just to show you. I'll delete this email. I'll delete this email box later. But for this purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and create myself a second Gmail address and just delete it later. But for the sake of showing you how to do it, I'm going to do one with you. So here we go. I'm going to fill in my name. I'm going to try a username, just something silly, you know. How about rgraysmallbiz@gmail.com. Then I'm going to do a password. You create a password that you like, that you can remember. And then do the formality of the birthday. This is not my real birthday, guys. I'm just putting something in here. My mobile phone number. This is not my real mobile phone number. I'm just putting something in here. Okay. My current email address. And it asks you to prove that you're not a robot. All this is asking you to type in something. And what they want you to do is to duplicate the letters that you see here. Duplicate the letters that you see here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to go down here and agree to the privacy statement and the terms of service. Google may use my account information to personalize plus ones. Oh, that's fine. We'll leave that. You can read more about that here and decide whether or not you want to select that if you like. Go to the next step. And they ask if I want to add a profile photo. I'll do that later. Well, in this case, I won't do that later because this is only a dummy email. Okay, go to the next step. So it pretty much walks you through. And as you can see, it's already done. It says, welcome, you're now ready to search, create, and share across lots of Google products. My new email address is rgraysmallbiz@gmail.com. See, all set. So now you want to go over here to find out what else you can do. You can sign out if you choose to. You can view your profile. You can click the account button that lets you change your password and things of that nature. This red 3 here lets me know all of my notifications from Gmail. And then the important thing on this page is the top bar here. The top bar here has all of Google products. And you can access all of Google's products by clicking any one of these here. I can automatically launch me a YouTube page, and I can automatically utilize the Google Calendar. I can automatically use Google Drive, which I'll talk to you more about in another video. I'll also do a tutorial on the Google Calendar. But for now, we're talking about Gmail. So So let's go ahead and click into the Gmail. See, it's opening up for the first time. You can see already that I have some emails, and these come from the Google team, the Gmail team. And so you can choose to read those. Those are most likely emails about how to get started and how to begin to interact with the Gmail system. So you'll see this welcome message that says, congratulations, you have signed up for a Gmail account. And you can use this feature here to import any mail or contacts that you have from previous email addresses. When I first got my Gmail address, what I did was I began to migrate my emails and my contacts from my AOL address and also from another address that I had. So all in one, I'll have my AOL contacts and my AOL mail, and I'll also have any other mailboxes in the single Gmail account. So you can do that by following the steps here. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out because this video was just about talking about creating a Gmail address. So now you have your Gmail address, you can begin to use the features and the services that Google has to offer. Google requires you to have a Gmail address to use things like Google Voice and Google Drive, YouTube, and the Google Calendar. So getting a Gmail address is important to beginning to use the Google services. So that's all for this session. You now know how to create a Gmail address, and we can begin to use Google's features now. Thank you. Bye-bye.